Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to quickly show you the process of going through the temperature control module on a customer's unit. Sent it in for repair. I'm going to walk through briefly some of the things I check for and fix, and so that you can know if you send your product off. It may take a while for me to get it back to you because I'm repairing it, but when you get it back it will be in working order, and if it's not, just let me know and I'll take care of it. Let's get started with the video. So ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at the control module for the temperature control, and we're going to be opening this module for some repair. The temperature switches and everything, all the buttons, we're going to make sure all those things work. And most importantly, when you're changing the temperature on those circular dials, we want to make sure that they don't jump around like they have been doing. So we're going to start off by opening the module, giving it a thorough cleaning, and after the cleaning, there's some parts that we're going to have to repair / remove. So we're going to start by opening it with the Torx bit. So we're going to remove the 6 Torx screws that hold this module together, and once these 6 screws are removed, we'll be able to gain relatively easy access to the internals. So ladies and gentlemen, once the control module is opened up, this is one side of it, this is the other side here. It's upside down. I don't want to turn it over because these buttons can fall out. We're looking at the control board here, and the control board has connections on the opposite side for the harness of your vehicle. Anyway, what I go about changing out a couple components on the board that fail. This little pin right here, it's a bi-directional pin connected with 3 prongs per side, 6 in total. There's one for the left circular wheel, and there's one for the right circular wheel. Zoom out so you see the whole thing. These things fail over time. It's the design, it's the wear and tear, it's whatever. They fail, so I go ahead and I replace these out. They're tiny, but not as tiny as, say, a little diode or something on the board. So that's part of it. Then I do an overall cleaning of the whole board, and I do a total inspection of all of the other components. Make sure that nothing is burnt out, nothing is like broken. Sometimes we have to go ahead and jump the board, put jumpers in there. But that's what we do to get these control modules working again. Not sure if any other person out there rebuilds these. I do, and so if you send that off to me, chances are I can replace it, or I should say repair the components that fail on the board. Alright, complete cleaning of the board, inspect all of the components. I always check the pins, make sure none of the pins are bent, etc. That's the power right there. Alright, so let's get this put back together. To get it put back together, flip it over on its side, and go ahead and drop it in position. We're not going to force it in, we're just going to let it fall right into place like that. Then once it's in position, without closing anything, I'm going to go ahead and turn it. Okay, then we're going to put the cover back on. And once the cover is in position, it should go right down and snap into place. I'm trying to do this with one hand, you fellas. And these use Torx. Focus on that a little bit. There you go. I'm going to put all these Torx back inside each hole. And there it is, all put back together. Next thing left to do is to go out to the vehicle and test it. Plug it in and turn the knobs and observe the temperature controls. You're going to test all the off, max cool, fan speeds, rear defrost. We're going to try everything, alright? Make sure everything is working properly. And that's it. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.